Hello and welcome to another episode of Spy Trader, your go-to podcast for the latest insights on the S&P 500. I'm your host, Chuck Dollar Bills, and it's 12 p.m. on August 26, 2024. Let's dive right in. Key news impacting the S&P 500. 1. Federal Reserve's dovish shift. Jerome Powell hinted at a potential rate cut in September, creating cautious optimism in the market. 2. Market reactions. Following Powell's comments, S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 futures remained relatively unchanged, reflecting a wait-and-see mode. 3. Earnings reports. All eyes are on Nvidia's earnings report this Wednesday, termed an underpriced risk by BofA. The results could impact AI investment hype. 4. Sector movements. The semiconductor sector, including Nvidia, Broadcom, AMD, and Micron, is declining, with Nvidia and Broadcom down 2.5% and 3.7%, respectively. 5. Geopolitical concerns. Middle East tensions surged, leading to safe haven buying. Crude oil prices increased nearly 3%, and gold steadied above $2,500 an ounce. 6. Global monetary policy. ECB is expected to cut rates, while PBOC kept rates steady, indicating a global move towards easing to counter economic slowdowns. 7. Commodity movements. WTI crude oil futures rose over 2.8%, hitting $76.09 per barrel, while Brent climbed to $79.92. Analysis and insights. 1. Market sentiment. Mixed sentiments prevail. Potential rate cuts spark some excitement, but flat trading in futures suggests caution. 2. Tech sector under pressure. The downtrend in semiconductor stocks is a red flag. Nvidia's earnings report is crucial and could trigger a broader tech sell-off if it misses expectations. 3. Safe haven dynamics. Rising prices of gold and crude oil indicate hedging against uncertainties and potential re-emerging inflationary pressures. 4. Global influences. Global trend towards easing monetary policy could cushion equity markets, but underlying economic slowdown remains a concern. Trading recommendations. 1. Stay cautious with tech. Consider setting tight stop-loss orders or taking partial profits on tech stocks. Nvidia's earnings report could be a turning point. 2. Diversify with safe havens. Consider diversifying into commodities like gold and energy stocks. Companies like First Solar have shown resilience. 3. Watch for defensive plays. Focus on utilities and consumer staples for protection in economic uncertainties. Planet Fitness could also be a good pick within discretionary space. 4. Monitor global cues. Keep an eye on global economic indicators and central bank actions as they impact U.S. market liquidity and the S&P 500. And to wrap things up with a bit of humor, why don't stocks work out? They hate losing their gains. That's all for today's episode of Spy Trader. Remember, the stock market is like a roller coaster. It has its ups and downs, but staying informed and cautious can help you enjoy the ride. Join us again in a few hours for another market update. Until then, keep trading smart and stay informed.